drink whatever the fuck we want here. It's good. See, Mike is not a good guy to try new shit on because he likes any fucking thing, okay? You give him rubbing alcohol, he's going, it's pretty good, you know? I mean, this fucker, he takes Tabasco and like you're having pizza or something. You know, like a little Tabasco on a pizza, right? Mike, he takes a bite of the pizza and takes a Tabasco and goes, he does, I swear to God. So it's not a good gauge. But yeah, it's good, right, Mike? Yeah. It's all right. You guys remember this? Uh-oh. This is appropriate. I remember I was 17. My father told me, take your dreams. He said, life ain't easy as it seems. He said, when you get older, boy, you see what I mean. Hey! Yeah. At the time I wanna be 21. That seemed the right age for having fun. But when I got there, I was still too young. Now 25 seems to be the one. I live my life day to day. I wouldn't have it any other way. I'm 12 and I'm 64. Spend my time, I ain't gonna be alone. You know that sweet girl you've been chasing around. She got your hook long, she keeps you down. I know what happened, baby, when she comes around. Won't be that long, you'll ask me back home town. You gotta live your life day to day. I wouldn't have it any other way. I'm 12 and I'm 64. Spend my time, I ain't gonna be alone. Things in between, they treat you right. 'Cause once you get there, baby, it's alright. So make it last just as long as you can. It's so much easier once you understand. You gotta live your life from day to day. Baby, I wanna have it any other way. I ain't 12 and I ain't, I'm 65. Spend my time like I'm still alive. Every day, every day, every day. two, we've been close as friends. We played in 2 bands together. Denny went off and played with Hart instead of me. They paid him more fucking money, you know what I'm saying? That shit pissed me off. It kind of ruined our friendship at first. You know, Denny was playing with me back in the 77 or something like that, right? And then Hart comes along and they offered him a whole bunch of money. And he said, well, like if you can match it, I go, match it. Back in those days, couldn't do it. So we became bitter enemies for no one. Anyway, so then Denny went and played with Whitesnake, and I couldn't afford him then either. So now Denny's all fucking retired and shit. So he comes down here and hangs out. Now he plays here for free. Look at it. We've been friends for 100 years now.